Hi, I'm Miss Rosemary from the Fountaindale Public Library, and I'm here today with the first kindergarten math kit. So in today's kit, we're going to count by tens, do some very simple addition and subtraction, and at the end, we'll have some fun clapping patterns. So let's get started with our first activity. So a kindergartner should be able to count to 100 by tens. So you're going to have a bag of 100 beads, and I have some of them separated already, but we'll count out our next sets of tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can have your child count out all 100 beads by tens. That way they know that each group has 10 in it. So then you'll have these numbers. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So there are 100 beads, and then you can have them count the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So it's just a different way because, using counters and stuff is always helps. So they can count up to 10 in each section if you want. It's, totally how you want to have fun playing with the parts. Also, we're going to have 100 smiley faces. So it's the same thing. They can count each smiley face, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then there are 10 sets of these smiley faces. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So you can kind of do like I did. You can make up your own ways to do this with your child or children. It'd just be a fun activity. So the next thing we're going to do, just let me move these out of the way, is just some very simple addition and subtraction. We're just going to take one of our piles of 10 and we're going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So 10, take away 3, will leave how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we can do it the opposite way. We can do 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 10, or we could go 1, 2, 3, plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they know that 3 and 7 are 10 just by counting it all together. And you can just do some fun little things with that also. One other thing we can do with our beads and our smiley faces is they need to learn greater than and less than. So we have in our kits the symbol, this is less than, and the smaller end is always the lesser amount, and the bigger end is always the larger amount. So there's greater than and less than. So let's start with greater than. So I'm going to take this pile of 10 beads and another pile of 10 beads. So that's 20. I can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then I'm going to do this pile of beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 20 is greater than 10. And then we can kind of flip it around. We'll take another pile here. and I'll grab this pile. So we already know there's 10 beads here and there's 20 beads here. So 10 is less than 20. So remember, your smaller amount will always be at the smaller end. Your larger amount will be at the bigger end. So again, 10 is less than 20. You can do it with the smiley faces too, using it that way. So you can have lots of fun with the beads. You could make some simple patterns too. Two red, two purple, two red, two purple, two red, two purple. You could throw in a couple of blue, just different patterns. So it's red, purple, red, purple, red, purple. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is just a couple of simple clapping patterns that you can do with your child. I'm just going to do some very basic, easy ones. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very simple clapping pattern. But I think kids will like it because they get to clap, and who doesn't like clapping? So the next one we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So all of these, except the clapping patterns, will be included in your kit. And we also have one fun thing. It's a little spin top. And I personally love playing with this. So it's just a little fun toy to, after you're done with your activities here, your learning activities, that you can play with. So we'll see you with next month's kindergarten math, and I hope you had fun watching it this time. Bye!